Welcome! I'm Teacher Rona. Previously, you have learned about the three phases of matter. In this activity, you will now explore the different characteristics of objects. I have here some materials like cotton balls, stones, a bottle of ketchup, a bottle of water, and plastic cups. Look closely at the materials. Identify their shapes. Put the cotton balls and stones in separate plastic cups. Fill one plastic cup with cotton balls. Fill the other plastic cup with stones. Tell which plastic cup is heavy and which one is light. Get a bottle of water and a bottle of ketchup. Pour the water into a plastic cup. Pour the ketchup into another plastic cup. And observe. I have here some guide questions. What have you noticed about the shape of the objects? Look at the cups with stones and cotton balls. Which cup is heavy? Which cup is light? Did you find it easy to pour the water? How about pouring the ketchup? Many objects can be determined by their shape. Solids have definite shapes. Here are some examples. The ball is round. The box is a square. The large cabinet is a rectangle. The pyramid is a triangle. Shapes include round or circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. While water takes the shape of the container, now pour water into a cup. Water now has taken the shape of the cup. What if the water spills on the floor? What will its shape look like? Air cannot be seen. You can feel it, but you cannot hold it. Now, blow air into a balloon. What happened to the balloon? It inflates. What did you put inside it? Air. Liquids and gases do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of their containers. The air inside the balloon takes the shape of the inflated balloon. Do you like cotton candy? You probably like its sweet taste. You can easily carry it too. When you go home, you see many things along your way. You may see construction workers shovel some gravel and sand. Imagine having a small bag of cotton candy and a small bag of stones. Which of them feels heavier? A small bag of stones is heavier than the bag of cotton candy. The stones weigh more than cotton candy when placed on the kitchen scale. What made this happen? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. The mass of an object tells you how heavy it is. Common units of measure for mass are the gram and kilogram. Get a plastic cup. Try to place a few stones in it. Get another plastic cup. Pour water in it. Then get a balloon. Inflate it. How do solids occupy space? How about liquids or gases? Occupy more space? That is volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. The volume of solids is usually expressed in cubic centimeters. The volume of liquids and gases is usually expressed in milliliter. You can easily get its volume. Solids have definite shapes and sizes. The larger the solid, the more space it occupies. Solids may be classified or grouped as regular or irregular. Regular solids have definite measurements. To get the volume of regular solids, multiply their length, width, and height. The water displacement method is used to measure the volume of irregular solids. The following will show the water displacement method. Pour water into a graduated cylinder. Note the initial reading. Place the irregular solid in the graduated cylinder. The water will rise to its new mark. This will be your final reading. Subtract the final reading from the initial reading. The difference is the volume of the irregular solid. The volume of liquids can be measured using graduated cylinder. Gases, however, expand to fill their containers. Most gases easily expand when it is hot. That is why gases do not have a definite volume. In the video earlier, we tried to pour ketchup from the bottle. The ketchup and the water differ in their viscosity. Viscosity is the ability of a liquid to resist flowing. The greater the viscosity of a liquid, the slower it flows. Ketchup is more viscous than water. That is why it is sometimes hard to pour the ketchup out of the bottle. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, this has been Teacher Rana for ClickGen.